Hi, my name is Scott Strohs, and this is MySQL Shorts. MySQL supports database views, which are stored queries that return a result set when used in another query. Think of views as functioning like a virtual table. Views are often used to simplify the use of complex queries. Let's take a look at the example here. This is a somewhat complex query that joins 7 different tables. One of these joins has more than one condition for the join. Trying to remember all these joins and how the tables relate can be quite daunting if you need to use a query like this often. We can simplify the use of this query by turning it into a view. We start defining a view with the create view clause. We then provide the name of the view followed by the as keyword. Anything after as is what will define our view. You can see I used the same query as before, but I left off the where clause and the order by clause. We can add a where clause and an order by clause when invoking the view in a query. We can invoke this new view by using the name of the view in place of a table name in a query. Take a look at this example. We do select star from v_match, where the last name column is equal to Strohs, and then we order the result by the date played descending. We also limit the results to the first 3 rows. The results of this query match the results of our original query, but without having to deal with all those joins. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to hit like and subscribe. Also, there'll be a link in the description for any code or files we used during this video.